do I need to lubricate this air motor? You can put an oiler on there if you want to, an automatic oiler. Ultimately though, periodically you can let this undo this gland nut, this swivel nut here, and release this hose. So this is your primary air hose into the valve chest of this particular air motor. You can put a capful, and I mean a small capful, of what we call industrial vegetable oil, or white oil as it's known. We use white oil primarily because the oil itself does not have an excessive amount of detergent in there. What can detergent do to this pump? Well, the O-ring configuration of these particular air motors is quite susceptible to contaminants such as mineral oils and so forth. So by using a white oil, it's not using a lot of detergent in the oil or other additives that can create the O-rings to grow with their stature primarily in the valve chest. Because if the O-ring grows from contamination, it'll jam the piston in the changeover valve or the pilot valve arrangement here, which renders your pump inoperable. So I suggest, and I strongly suggest, you only use white oil to lubricate this pump. You only need half a capful every month or so to keep this lubricated. So they're designed as what we call a dry air motor, but a small amount of white oil periodically enhances the longevity of the air motor itself.